Hey guys, it's time to start my tomato seeds and some peppers as well. I'm already 2 weeks late. It's now the 30th of January. I should have started around the 15th. So I hope everything germinates first time because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be even more late. But fingers crossed, they will all be okay. So let's start by having a look at what this mix is. To start the seeds, I get some standard just potting soil, nothing much to this. I put this through a sieve to get rid of the biggest particles. Then I get from my compost pile, I get some compost. This is probably 1 year old now. I put it through a sieve as well. Beautiful, look at that. And this is all from leaves and branches I get from my garden, kitchen scraps and some coffee grounds I get regularly from the cafe just down the road. Beautiful. And of course some perlite just to make it even more fluffier and retain some moisture better. I mix it in 2 parts soil, 1 part compost, 1 part perlite. Let's get rid of this. The soil is already kind of wet, it's dampened, there's no water dripping on even if you squeeze, but it's clumping like that, even with the perlite. Okay, now I'll just do 2 little holes on each pot, drop 2 seeds, just to make sure, unless I only have 2 seeds of those varieties, and then I'll do 1 seed, just in case something goes wrong and I can try again. So let's do it 2 little holes, just about 1/4 inch deep. And now that they're all done, I just gently press and another bit of water. Okay, now they're all done. Time to take them upstairs and give them some heat. Right, this is my attic where I usually get my seeds going. About 22 degrees. Okay, these are my shop lights. I had these for, well, I've had these for quite a few years actually. I've always kind of bodged up lamps together and stuff, but this year I decided to put them all in an orderly fashion and created this, well, this support. I also bought a couple of LED grow lights. I haven't tried them yet, but I need to put them here somehow. They will fit in here. And these are really cheap stuff. This cost me about $9. I don't expect much out of this, but and this cost me about 15, 20, can't remember. But I'll make a video all about the grow lights, okay? But for now, they don't need light yet, but this has magnetic ballasts and this provides the heat for this. Right, now in about 7 to 10 days, hopefully we'll have them all sprouting.